Hello you guys, today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing, and I know you've already seen probably everybody's Fabfitfun unboxing for the winter, but I haven't done mine yet, so I'm going to do mine now and you're going to shut up about it. No, I'm kidding. So yeah, we're going to do a Fabfitfun unboxing, and I don't know, somehow, so basically, I pay for Fabfitfun myself, like I do like the yearly membership, so it's all paid for already. But then Fabfitfun reached out to me and wanted to send it to me as PR, but somehow along the lines, I got 4 boxes. They all have different stuff in it. Well, all of them have like some of the same stuff, but like they're all different. So basically, I'm gonna unbox mine, and then I'm gonna give one away to you guys. They've all been opened, unfortunately, because I didn't realize I was gonna get 4 until I got the 4th. So they've all been opened, but most of the products have been untouched, and you will be getting a giveaway box of like stuff that's never been used. I've opened the box before, but I've never used any of it. So that's gonna be exciting. But yeah, without any further ado, I want this to just be a little short, sweet, quick video. Vlogmas has taken over. We're probably all like YouTube videoed out. So let's just keep it short and sweet. Let's kick it old school. Let's do a nice little unboxing. Nobody does these anymore. So let's do it. I mean, first and foremost, I do want to say I am a huge fan of Fabfitfun. Like I said, I had already paid for my subscription before they reached out to me, so I can vouch for this amazing box. So it's $50 a month, but each box is over $200 in value. So like you get a lot of great stuff in the box. Like I'm already using actually first part of the unboxing, they're already out of my box, but first thing I got in the Fabfitfun winter box are these slippers, and the moment I got the box, I yanked them out and put them on my feet, and they haven't come off my feet since. They're the nicest slippers ever. They are from the brand PJ Salvage, and I love them. They're so cozy. They've got like a nice structured bottom, but it's not too structured where you feel like you're wearing a whole shoe. But like if you do need to run in the backyard, they're good for that. Anyway, they're just amazing slippers, so that's the first thing. But yeah, $50, you get all full-size products in your box, and then you also get bonuses like coupons for HelloFresh, stuff like that. It's just all around a really amazing subscription box. It's my favorite subscription box out of all of them. It's the only one I subscribe to with my own money, I'll say that. So before we get into the unboxing, if you are interested in getting this for yourself after you see everything that's in it, you can use the code SUPERASHLEY for $10 off your first box. So that means for $200 plus in value, you get a box for $40. I feel like that's a steal. If you ask me, I feel like that's a steal. So all of that information and the link will be down below for you guys to check that out. A fuzz was on my lip. Also, can we talk about, this is day 5 of that dry bar blowout, and we are still okay, what just happened there? Okay. We're still looking fabulous, honestly, truly just fabulous. Like, my hair is so long. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, yeah, let's go. Let's get into the box. When you open it, this is what you see. Every Fabfitfun box comes with their own Fabfitfun magazine. This magazine has Maria Shriver on it. You'll love to see it. We've got a Fabfitfun coupon code here. We've got a HelloFresh coupon code here. And then in the box, I already showed you guys, I had the slippers in here, and then also we have some other stuff. So speaking of dry bar, that's actually pretty funny that we have a dry bar product in here. This is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. I actually remember when I went to dry bar last week, they actually put this in my hair before they blew it out. So it's meant to protect your hair up to 450 degrees and also detangle your hair. It's got biotin, vitamins B and C, and UV blockers. So honestly, I'm definitely going to use this anytime I blow out my hair at home. This is what I will be using, and dry bar products in itself are super expensive. So I feel like this was at least $20. So you're already getting almost half the value of the box in one product. Then we also have in here, this is the Cuccio Somatology Yoga Calm and Clean Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. So I actually want to open this and smell it because that sounds divine. Ooh, that smells like eucalyptus. That smells like a spa. If you're into like very like herbally spa kind of sense, this is gonna be nice. I'll probably put this in the downstairs, like the guest bathroom, because me and Meech only really use bar soap, but our guests will appreciate that. I actually love putting all like fancy products for our guests to use because I just feel like it's a treat for them. Like you come to an influencer's house, you get influencer level product, which basically means fancy products are free. you know? I want to give everybody the experience. Okay, next in here we have the original pink makeup eraser. I actually only wash my face now with like cleansing oil and a makeup and a washcloth. So back in the day I got the makeup eraser and I was like, it's whatever. But honestly, now that I like have a different skincare routine and I actually do use like a cloth and not makeup wipes to take off my makeup, I think I will actually use this. And yeah, I'm excited. This is also, I think, over $20 at Sephora. So another product amping up your value in this box. Next up, we have the Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub. I love this stuff. I used to be on the Frank Body PR list. I think I'm only not now because the girl I knew from college that worked there does no longer work there. But I do love this body scrub, and it's the winter. I am ready for a self-tan moment because your girl is freaking white, and what do you need when you have to self-tan? A good body scrub, and this one's amazing. So I'm really excited about this. I also love that it comes in like a little pouch. Like I feel like a regular body scrub would have been so heavy in this box, but this is like very good sustainable packaging. Next up in here we have the Erno Laszlo Exfoliate and Detox Pore Cleansing Clay Mask. You guys know I live for a mask moment, so I'm very excited about this. Next up, we've got another skincare product. This is Kate Somerville Goat Milk Condition and Restore Moisturizing Cream. Love this. I mean, I've never used it, but goat milk moisture. My skin has been so dry lately because it's like getting cold. Ooh, there's also a save 20% and free shipping coupon code in here. So that's cool. Kate Somerville, I know, is expensive. So once again, you get really luxury, like amazing brand. Like you don't get cheap shit in these boxes. You get really good stuff. Good size container. Yes, very excited about that. I freaking love getting skincare. Speaking of loving getting skincare, there's one more product in here that I'm excited about. This is the Karuna Face for All Face and Eye Mask Set. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different, wait, did I count that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, yep. There's 7 different face masks in here, like sheet masks in one box. So that's amazing. I mean, you're lucky if you get one sheet mask in most subscription boxes. This has an age-defying, an antioxidant, a brightening, a clarifying, and exfoliating, a hydrating, and then a renewal eye mask. So you get 6 sheet masks for your face and then 1 eye mask. Nice. Okay, so you literally get, okay, so here's the eye mask and then your 6 different sheet masks. That's so awesome. I love taking sheet masks on flights with me because my skin always gets super dry when I fly. So these are gonna last me quite a few flights in my lifetime with these masks. Love it. Okay, and then last but not least in my box, I got probably what we're gonna be most excited about together as a family. This is the oh my god, did something break? I see a powder. Did something break? I'm gonna be very sad. No. Okay, this is the Proof is in the Pudding eyeshadow palette. And unfortunately, there is a broken shadow in here. And of course, it is the shadow that I find the prettiest, this one in Warm Cocoa. Luckily, they sent me 4 boxes, and I'm pretty sure each of the boxes has this eyeshadow palette in it. So, and I can attest that none of the other ones have a broken shadow, so this must be a dud. I'm not gonna penalize Fabfitfun for this because all of the other ones came perfect. Whichever one of you wins the giveaway box, you will have a nice, fresh, not broken eyeshadow palette. And I hopefully have a nice, fresh not broken eyeshadow palette too. But it's a really pretty selection of like warm browns. Very nice neutral palette. Beauty Bakery is an amazing brand and I do love them. And also banana pudding. I fucking love banana pudding, so I kind of wish it smelled like it, but it doesn't. So yeah, that is my FabFitFun box. Honestly, I don't feel like going through the other boxes to tell you what you're gonna win, but I can promise you, I will try to make it so that you get every product I got in my box, except for maybe this. I think I was the only one that got the slippers. But I will make it so that your box has everything else that I have, and then plus anything else that I didn't show. Like I know there's a planner in one of them. I'm gonna include that in the giveaway box because I already have a planner and I don't need one, but coming on the new year, you guys will really appreciate that. But yeah, that's my FabFitFun winter box. I freaking love FabFitFun. Like I said, they're just amazing. So if you want to sign up, check the description box. They will have the link, the coupon code, all the good stuff that you need. If you want to enter the giveaway, I'm just gonna ask that you subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share this video, and then also follow me on Instagram. and that'll be it. Yep, and I'll probably wait like a week and then announce the giveaway winner, and then I will send you out your box. It's already boxed up for me, so I just have to take it to the post office, and that's about it. But honestly, like I said, I'm gonna keep this video nice and short and sweet. I hope you guys are having a wonderful week. I love you all so, so much. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe before you head on out. Make sure you leave me a comment down below to enter the giveaway. Like I said, I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video.